Hello dear friends, I am Dr. Hosseini and welcome to Medical and Health. You must have seen medicines called natural and herbal Viagra in online shops or stores. According to the sellers, these drugs treat erectile dysfunction. In this video, you will get more information about natural alternatives to Viagra and 5 best herbal Viagra alternatives. When someone uses the term natural Viagra, they're referring to supplements or compounds that treat erectile dysfunction similarly to medications like Viagra. In order to have a complete understanding of Viagra, let's look at how Viagra works. Viagra belongs to a class of drugs called phosphodiesterase type 5 enzyme inhibitors. These drugs work by blocking the enzyme PDE5, which causes blood to leave an erect penis. In other words, it helps you stay hard. Natural supplements work in the same way, but just like all natural supplements, herbal Viagra is not FDA approved. However, some natural remedies for ED have shown promise in early scientific studies. Epimedium has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years to treat low libido and fatigue. Some anecdotal reports and studies suggest horny goat weed might help address ED by improving erections. This plant contains echarine. One of the biggest health issues that echarine can treat is erectile dysfunction by inhibiting the protein phosphodiesterase type 5 enzyme, which is how Viagra works. By inhibiting PDE5, the symptoms of ED can be reduced over time. But research on the effect of echarine has only been conducted on animals, which means it may not be the same in the human body. Ginseng has been used for many years to treat erectile dysfunction. Unlike many natural products, Red Ginseng reduces the symptoms of erectile dysfunction and is very effective. In a study of 2,000 men with erectile dysfunction, the researchers found that Red Ginseng increased the erectile function in the participants. Yohimbe is a dietary supplement derived from the bark of an African evergreen tree. Yohimbe, which is the active ingredient in the bark of this tree, is used in many sexual enhancement supplements. In trials, Yohimbe was superior to placebo for the treatment of erectile dysfunction, but should also be compared with PDE5 inhibitors like Viagra. One of the causes of erectile dysfunction is low testosterone. DHEA or Dehydroepiandrosterone is a hormone produced in the adrenal gland, which is located above the kidneys. In our body, DHEA boosts certain hormones such as testosterone, but there is no clear evidence that DHEA will boost testosterone in a way that has any meaningful effect on symptoms of erectile dysfunction. The amino acid L-Citrulline relaxes blood vessels just like Viagra works. L-Arginine, another amino acid, has been shown to improve blood flow. A large study that included 500 participants showed that L-Arginine helps reduce erectile dysfunction. The researchers found that doses between 1,500 and 5,000 mg produce significant improvement in erectile dysfunction compared to placebo. Apart from herbal and natural substances that can replace Viagra, there are other drugs. These drugs include phosphodiesterase type 5 enzyme inhibitors such as Cialis and Levitra. Non-oral drugs for erectile dysfunction such as Alprostadil, which is injected directly into the penis or placed in the urethra as a suppository, are also available. If low testosterone is the cause of erectile dysfunction, testosterone replacement therapy is the solution. The replacement hormone is used in the form of patches, gels, or injection. In general, if you have recently experienced erectile dysfunction, see a doctor first. In this case, not only your sexual life improve, but you will also be sure about your health, because erectile dysfunction can be one of the first symptoms of some serious diseases such as heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, depression, and low testosterone. Thanks for watching. Please tap the like button to support me, and also don't forget to subscribe me for more medical and health contents.